This is about Baby Chef Brotherhood.
Morning.
Baby Chef last cooked 2025 teriyaki chicken.
Good morning. Baby Chef will cook teriyaki chicken before back to Sydney to enjoy the new year. Let's welcome 2026.
Cook Italian arancini in Australia camp holiday.
Morning. Today Baby Chef makes Italian porcini mushroom arancini.
Arancini has been a part of traditional Southern Italian cuisine for several centuries. Has roots in 10th century in Sicily under Arab influence. The name means little oranges, describing their shape and color. Made from cooked and cooled arborio rice or risotto rice. Cultural significance during St. Lucy's Day, Feast of Santa Lucia on 13th of December. Now, arancini becomes global food, and you can find easier everywhere an Italian restaurant around the world. Crispy, golden fried Italian rice balls are a beloved dish. Now, popular variations like meat, cheese, mushroom, or unique fillings, duck, ham, etc., not only classic arancini. In end of video, we say, thank you for Italy for delicious food.
Australia holiday camp.
This episode, Baby Chef and holiday camp with family and friends.
Baby Chef's cute brotherhood story.